Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with Power and Network. Turn on the Oneplus TV and set it to its default home or casting screen. Next, make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network, either 4 GHz or 5 GHz, so devices can see each other. Also enable Bluetooth on your phone if you plan to use Oneplus Connect or Quick Pairing. This speeds discovery. Once done, open the casting or screen mirroring option on your phone so the TV can be discovered. You now initiate the actual link. On Android, open Settings, then Connected Devices or Display, and choose Cast or Screen Sharing. On iOS, use AirPlay if supported. Select your Oneplus TV from the list that appears and watch for a PIN or confirmation dialog on the TV. Enter it on your phone to secure the session. If you want extra control, install and open the Oneplus Connect app. It pairs over the same Wi-Fi and offers remote and media controls. Make sure both devices stay awake for the transfer. You finish by starting playback or mirroring. Confirm audio is routed to the TV and check screen orientation if needed. If you notice lag, stutter, or dropouts, switch Wi-Fi bands, move the router or devices closer, or try a wired HDMI adapter for a stable connection. If nothing connects, reboot both the phone and the TV, and then reinstall Oneplus Connect. That usually clears pairing issues. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure any VPN or firewall on the phone is disabled while pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.